Most people think agentic AI is just another name for ChatGPT, but that's not true. Chatbots answer questions, AI agents complete tasks, and that difference changes how modern AI systems are designed. In this video, we will break down the real architecture behind agentic AI systems and how they are actually implemented in enterprise environments using Azure. Let's start with the architecture most AI applications use today. A user sends a prompt. The language model processes that prompt, and a response is generated. This architecture works well for tasks like answering questions, generating content, or summarizing text. But real business workflows are more complex. Organizations often need AI systems that can perform multi-step tasks. For example, processing hundreds of documents, extracting structured information, storing that information in databases, and generating reports or summaries. A simple prompt response interaction cannot handle this type of workflow. And that is exactly where agentic AI becomes important. An AI agent is not just a language model, it is a system built around several coordinated components. The first component is the LLM. This is a reasoning engine that understands tasks and generates decisions. The second component is tools. Tools allow the agent to interact with external systems such as API databases, search engines, or document processors. The third component is memory. Memory allows the system to store intermediate results and maintain context across multiple steps. And the fourth component is the decision loop. This loop allows the system to continuously evaluate progress and determine what action should happen next. When these components work together, the AI system can move beyond answering questions and begin completing tasks. Now let's walk through how an agentic AI system actually processes a task. Everything begins with the user, but instead of asking a simple question, the user provides an objective. For example, analyze a collection of documents, extract key information, show the results, and generate a summary report. This request first enters the system through the agent controller. The agent controller manages the overall workflow. It keeps track of the goal, manages execution steps, and ensures the system progresses toward completing the task. Next, the request is passed to the language model. At this stage, the LLM performs reasoning. Instead of generating a final response immediately, it analyzes the problem and determines what action should happen next. In many cases, the model realizes that it needs external capabilities to complete the task. For example, if the task involves analyzing documents, the system may need a document extraction tool. If the task requires saving structured data, the system may need a database connection. If the final result needs to be delivered to a user, the system may need an email or notification service. These external capabilities are represented as tools. The language model decides which tool should be used, and the agent controller executes that tool. Another important component in the architecture is memory. Memory allows the system to remember what has already happened during the workflow. For example, the system may store extracted data, partial results, or information about which documents have already been processed. Without memory, the system would treat every step as a new request. With memory, the agent can track progress and make better decisions. Once the tool finishes executing, the result is returned to the system. The language model then evaluates the result and decides what should happen next. If the task is not complete, the system enters another reasoning cycle. The model analyzes the new information, chooses the next tool, and continues executing actions. This loop continues until the objective has been achieved. And this continuous reasoning and execution loop is what makes agentic AI systems autonomous. In real enterprise systems, this architecture is typically implemented using cloud services. For example, the reasoning engine can be powered by Azure OpenAI. Tool execution can be implemented using Azure Functions. Document extraction can be handled by Azure Document Intelligence. Blob storage can store raw files, and Cosmos DB can be used to maintain structured data and memory. Together, these services form the backbone of scalable AI workflows. The key insight is simple. A language model alone does not create an intelligent system. Real AI systems require architecture. They require orchestration between models, tools, and data system. When these components work together, AI systems can move beyond generating text and begin performing real work. In upcoming videos, we will go deeper into building these systems step by step, including how to build multi-agent architectures and how to implement them using Azure and Python. If you're interested in real-world AI system design, please consider subscribing to this channel.